Another option for the perfect summer dessert is this mochi by Karayama. This was served chilled kaya napawi lahat ng init na naramdaman ko sa labas. I went to Karayama's branch in SM North EDSA. They serve Japan's crunchiest fried chicken, but I'm here to try their mochi dessert. It has 3 flavors, the Ichigo, Yuzu, and Matcha. I love matcha, kaya ito talaga yung unang trinay ko. And grabe, this is so good. Deep matcha flavor, and I really love the high quality, chewy texture. The Ichigo is my most favorite among the 3. Slightly sweet, very natural strawberry flavor, at na-complement pa nung light cream in the middle. The Yuzu is also yummy. It has a lightly sweet, bright, and citrusy flavor. This cherry blossom fresh fizz is a very refreshing drink. Cold, slightly sweet, and citrusy. And of course, dahil nandito na ako, hindi pwedeng hindi ko titikman ang kanilang star dish. This is the Karayama set, their signature karage, na sobrang crunchy, tender, and juicy. It comes with 2 dips. I got to try their bestsellers, the gokodare and the tartar. One of their bestsellers din daw itong ginger. Okay din siya, pero parang mas bet ko to sa Hainanese chicken. I love their chicken karage. Wala yung nakakaumay na lasa na present sa ibang chicken karage. Top 2 favorite dips ko dito is the gokodare and this honey mustard. Bagay na bagay kasi sila dun sa chicken. This ranch dip is also good. Balance yung lasa, but mas bet ko to dun sa mga kara pops nila. I love their wide selection of sauces. Mas na-elevate niya yung lasa ng chicken. This cheesy curry karage is also a must try. Super dami ng cheese. Look at the cheese pool. And the texture and taste of the curry sauce is perfect. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ng family ko. Bagay na bagay kasi yung crunch and breading ng chicken dun sa curry sauce. I love chicken namban, and this version from Karayama did not disappoint. Tamang-tama lang yung pagka-creamy, sweet, and tangy ng tartar sauce. Plus, winner talaga yung chicken karage ng Karayama. I also got to try the Kara Pops. Perfect to when you're having some cold beer with your friends. Available in Kara Bomb, which is the spicy version, and Nori Yummy. The Karayama and Namban set comes with miso soup, which is very comforting, shredded cabbage na very fresh, and ang sarap nung sesame dressing nila. I'm so happy I got to try Karayama. Ang sarap pala dito. Reasonably priced pa yung mga food nila. Their mochi desserts, worth it balik-balikan. Kayo, have you tried Karayama?